Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock HDFC AMC. So if you will watch this stock closely, you will find out that this is acting as a resistance for this stock. Okay, this level is acting as a resistance for this stock. What can happen in this stock? See, the stock is trying to reverse from this region, and as soon as the stock will go above this level of 2740 to 250 rupees, then the stock will turn bullish and it will try to come towards this level of 2780 rupees. So tomorrow, if the stock gives an upside breakout above this level, it opens flat, gives an upside breakout, then you can consider buying this stock for target of 2718 or even further, and the stock can even come towards 2862 rupees also in upcoming sessions. Why? See, if you will consider this stock and watch this stock in daily time frame, you will find out that the stock is forming a reversal kind of a candle. Okay, this is a reversal kind of a candle. This candle has the potential to get the stock towards its lifetime high of 3244 also. So if you want to invest in this stock HDFC AMC, this is the right time now. You can invest at this region or this region 2700 to 2730 rupees. Why? Because 2729 rupees is the daily 200 EMA. This is the 200 day exponential moving average. You are getting a 6-month old moving average price. So you should invest in this stock, and tomorrow if the stock gives an upside breakout and forms this kind of a candle towards the upside, then what will happen? This stock will make a evening star kind of a candlestick pattern in daily time frame, and it will further try to move towards the upside. So this stock is a very good buy, swing buy. You should buy this stock for swing trading at this level, and you can add further towards the downside. Okay, so this is my analysis for HDFC AMC. It is a very good stock. You should stay invested in this stock. Thank you for watching.